This conference will now be recorded.
Even though then we need to give hyphen hyphen restart always. So what this particular option will do when you give to your container when running it or after created also. So it's like even though your base system is shut down and you start it, your container will also start automatically.
No, no, no,
Okay.
not about like regarding like when we no,
No.
I'm just asking when we exit from the like manually we enter, right?
Yeah,
Exit.
that's what I'm saying. Even for that also, even if you use exit command also, it will start automatically. In the sense, it doesn't exit. It doesn't use any exit code.
Okay, so like we can still like use then attach and
Yes.
run, then to again log back into the
Yeah,
container.
again, normal command. Say again, whatever you want, you can use it.
Okay, so like in real time, so we every time we keep it always, or what we use the option to
It
create.
depends. Sometimes people will give on failure. Okay, on failure in the sense only when the system, when the container is failed, then only it need to start. What is on failure in the sense? Let us say your base system is shut down. Okay, and you are starting it. It's not a failure, so it doesn't start. Okay, on failure in the sense, if your container is exited apart from zero code, then it is called as failure. Okay.
If we give exit, it won't restart again.
Huh. It won't restart.
Okay, okay,
On
yeah,
failure in the sense, some containers you can see it will show you the status side like exit colon in bracket zero, and some matter it will be written. So that is a normal shutdown. So it doesn't start automatically. It's not a failure, right? So failure in the sense exit code should be something like 127 or something else in the status of Docker PS command.
okay, gotcha. Uh, so we have to keep it always so that like whenever we exit as well, we
Yeah,
can.
whatever the situation it is, it will try to start it.
Okay. The other question you gave some homework, right, for like creating a container with none network
Yeah,
and later attach to the same
yeah, yeah,
container.
yeah, yeah. I
So,
forgot actually. Yeah, what happened to that?
so if we create a none network, we cannot attach a
Hmm.
network to that.
Yes, of course. Yes, it's true. Once you create a container with null, you cannot attach it.
Okay. And the other one, the other question you gave is create a container with host network and later add a new bridge network. So it's not allowing to add a bridge network if we create a host network.
That also yes, that's true. Only for bridge, it is possible to add multiple networks.
Okay. For host, we'll just have the loopback and we cannot add a new bridge network.
Nothing else. Yeah. Not only loopback, it will have the whatever the network you have in your base machine, the same network will be available in your container. That is called as host one. That is bit danger because if you are able, if you know the IP of the base machine, you can directly access your container also, right?
Yeah.
So that's the reason we need to be careful while giving host only network to your container. Only when it is required, then only we need to give it.
Okay, if we select that, we don't have any other chances to add new networks to that
No,
content.
no,
Okay.
no. I think no one is getting joined. What to do? This is a bit important topic, Docker file. Nathan, you can exit for today. We'll see. I'll talk to the management and we'll see what happened to other people. Okay. If they're not
Okay.
joining, then we can continue. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, sure. So.